Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Back on Bluey, and we've got a pretty stinky, messy job today, which is... Try not to kill ourselves, that's the first job. The second job is to get all this gunk out of the bottom of the ship. Now, I was having daymares because there's quite a lot of chunky bits of steel that I can see already, and I was just kind of concerned that if we scrape all this gunk out, we're just going to find enormous holes in the bottom of the boat. It's going to go into bin bags, and then we're going to have to dispose of it at the tips, so it's going to be a pretty gunky job. You ready?
Yes.
Yes, she is. Excited.
Very excited.
Excited for a day of gunk. Let's do this. We have done a good job of cleaning up the front of the ship here. It's looking much more not completely shit. We also found a little hole here, which the team, when they took the boat out of the water, they drilled a hole to let some of the water out. And the thickness of the steel right here doesn't look that thick, which does not bode well for the back of the ship, because the back of the ship is where there's a lot of really thick sludge, and probably the corrosion is going to be much worse in the back. We'll just have to see, and then we've got to measure the thickness of the hull to make sure that it's all up to spec. But anyway, great job, looking much cleaner, and we'll just carry on and do the rest of the floor. We are both a bit broken after 60% of a day of scraping the floor. It's a very satisfying job.
Yeah, it's a great job, but you have to look down, and so your neck just gets overworked, and then you just end up getting neck pain, back pain, headache.
Yeah, I've got a headache. I am wondering whether also that maybe, because there's a bit of a smell downstairs, I wonder whether us revealing the sludge is also bringing up some gases that aren't very good for us.
Maybe. Or wearing a gas mask.
Yeah, we've both got P3 respirator masks, but they're not necessarily Anyway, well, I've got a gig tonight, so we're going to go and cruise back and relax for a bit. All right. Tired. Tiring day. Satisfying day. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.